Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 11th of September 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Peru is passing a key stage in its energy transition, marked by the recent adoption of Law 33249. It provides private contracts without power backing and allows new bidding and storage schemes with long-term contracts. Currently, the system has over 1,700 megawatts in operation. Another 2 to 3 gigawatts of additional capacity would almost triple the installed power if this expansion can be realized. South Korea's president warns that companies will be hesitant to invest in the U.S. following the Hyundai immigration raid in Georgia last week. During a news conference marking his first 100 days as president, Lee Jae-myung detailed the common practice of workers from Korean companies assisting in setting up factories overseas. If that's no longer allowed, establishing manufacturing facilities in the U.S. will only become more difficult. This will make companies question whether it's worth doing at all. The tax and budget bill that was passed in the U.S. earlier this year is projected to cut new clean power build by up to 59% over the next decade. It will put over $500 billion of clean energy and transport investment at risk. For the U.S. administration, reliable and affordable energy means more fossil fuels and nuclear power generation. It also puts new economic pressure on operating facilities that manufacture clean energy technology that is tied to nearly $150 billion of investment. The Japanese government will provide additional support to offshore wind power projects. They are seeking to avoid a rush of exits by operators after Mitsubishi's withdrawal from their projects due to rising construction costs. An expert panel of the industry and infrastructure ministries will discuss establishing a system to reduce costs for companies participating in such projects. The government will also consider reviewing the evaluation method for selecting successful bidders. Prime Minister Mark Carney says Ottawa is prepared to work with Nova Scotia to ramp up its ambitious plans for Canada's first offshore wind farms. The commitment came after he confirmed 5 major projects that were further in development would be considered first for fast-track approval. He said he had directed the new Major Projects Office to create business development teams to work with the provinces to make these new projects a reality. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.